Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on Indian National Congress and Muslim League. So if you are visiting the channel for the first time, so please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our today's session. Your first question is, first official history of Indian National Congress was written by A option है पताबी सीतारमैया, B है B.N. पांडे, सी ऑप्शन है आर.सी. मजूमदार एंड डी ऑप्शन है डॉक्टर ताराचंद. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज बी, पताबी सीतारमैया. Your next question is, who was the Viceroy of India at the time of the formation of INC? A ऑप्शन है लॉर्ड केनिंग, बी है लॉर्ड कर्जन, सी ऑप्शन है लॉर्ड डफरिन एंड डी ऑप्शन है लॉर्ड डलहौजी. So the right answer is option C, that is Lord Dufferin. And the formation of INC was in the year 1885 by the person A.O. Hume, right? Next question is, my own belief is that Congress is tottering and one of my great ambition is to assist it to peaceful demise. Who said it? A ऑप्शन है विंस्टन चर्चिल, बी है मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना, सी ऑप्शन है लॉर्ड कर्जन एंड डी है लॉर्ड डफरिन. So right answer is option C, that is Lord Curzon gave this statement. Your next question is, who among the following never became the president of INC? A ऑप्शन है बाल गंगाधर तिलक, बी है गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, सी है सुभाष चंद्र बोस एंड डी है महात्मा गांधी. So the right answer of this question is option A, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak never be the president of INC. Important question है guys, so please remember it. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन है, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस was founded by. So who led the formation of INC? So your first option is Umesh Chandra Banerjee, B option is Mahatma Gandhi, C option is Alan Octavian Hume, that is A.O. Hume, and D option है दाताभाई नौरोजी. So right answer is option C, that is A.O. Hume led the formation of INC in the year 1885. Your next question is, who was the founder of Indian Muslim League? ए ऑप्शन है सैयद अहमद खान, बी ऑप्शन है मोहम्मद इकबाल एंड सी ऑप्शन है आगा खान एंड डी ऑप्शन है नवाब सलीमुल्लाह खान. So the right answer is option D, that is Nawab Salimullah Khan. And All Indian Muslim League founded on 30th December 1906. The date is also important, so please remember it. Okay. Your next question is, the number of delegates who attended the first session of INC held in Bombay in 1885 was. A option is 72, B option is 304, C option is 556 and D option is 1500. So right answer is option A, that is 72. अगला क्वेश्चन है, who was the first Muslim president of INC? A option है मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद, B option is शौकत अली, C option is Badruddin Tyabzi and D option is Muhammad Ali. So right answer is option C, that is Badruddin Tyabzi. So Badruddin Tyabzi was the first Muslim president of INC. Your next question is, the first president of Muslim League was. You have to tell the first president of Muslim League. So the options are Nawab Wakar ul Mulk, B option is Mia Abdul Aziz, C option is Hidayat Hussain Khan and D option is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So right answer is option A, that is Nawab Wakar ul Mulk, who is also known as Mushtaq Hussain, right? Your next question is, who was the president of the Lucknow session of INC which held in the year 1916? So A option is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B is Ambika Chand Mazumdar, C option is Madan Mohan Malviya and D option is Annie Besant. So right answer is option B, that is Ambika Chand Mazumdar or A.C. Mazumdar, right? Next question is, in which of the following session of Indian National Congress the resolution of Swadeshi was adopted? A option is Madras session of 1903, B option is Bombay session in 1904, C option is Banaras session of 1905 and D option is Calcutta session in 1906. So right answer is option D, that is Calcutta session in 1906. Next question is, the first secretary of Indian National Congress was. A option है A.O. Hume, B is George Yule, C option is Firoz Shah Mehta, and D option is William Wedderburn. So right answer is option B A, that is A Ho Yum. Your next question is, who was the first president of INC? A option is Dadabhai Naoroji, B is William Wedderburn, C option is Ellen Octavian Hume, and D option is W.C. Banerjee. So right answer is option D, that is W.C. Banerjee. Next question is, when did the Indian National Congress accept the theory of drain of wealth? A option is in 1896, B option is in 1902, C option 1906, and D option in 1935. So right answer is option A, that is in 1896. In 1896, INC accepted the theory of drain of wealth, and the theory of drain of wealth was given by the person Dadabhai Naoroji. So please remember this point also. Your next question is, in which session of INC Vande Mataram was first sung? Vande Mataram first sung in which year? So options are 1886, B option is 1890, C option is 1896, and D option is 1905. So right answer is option C, that is 1896. अगला क्वेश्चन है, द फेमस लखनऊ पैक्ट was signed between INC and Muslim League in which year? So A option is 1912, B is 1914, C is 1916, and D option is 1918. So right answer is option C, that is 1916. Lucknow Pact was signed in 1916 between Bal Gangadhar Tilak, which represents the INC at that time, and Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was the representative of Muslim League in 1916, right? Your next question is, who brought about a compromise between Muslim League and Congress in 1916? A option is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B is Gopal Krishan Gokhale, C option is Annie Besant, and D option is Surendra Nath Banerjee. So right answer is option A, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Your next question is, the president of the Surat session of INC, which held in the year 1907. Year is also important, guys. So who was the president at that time? So A option is Dadabhai Naoroji, B option is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C option is Gopal Krishan Gokhale, and D option is Ras Bihari Bose. So right answer is option D, that is Ras Bihari Bose. And you have to remember one more point, that in Surat session of INC, Congress got divided further into two parts, that is extremists and moderates, right? Your next question is, who had ridiculed Congress as representing only a microscopic minority of the people? A option is Lord Ripon, B option is Lord Curzon, C option is Lord Wellesley, and D option is Lord Dufferin. So right answer is option D, that is Lord Dufferin. Next question is, which of the following is not correctly matched? There are some Congress session and the place. You have to find the wrong one, which is not correctly matched. A option is the Congress session of 1887 held in Madras. B option is the Congress session of 1888 held in Allahabad. C option is the Congress session of 1890 held in Calcutta. And last option is the Congress session of 1892 held in Bombay. So right answer is option D, that is the Congress session of 1892 is not correctly matched with Bombay. Next question is, consider the formation of the following association before the establishment of INC. एक पॉइंट क्लियर है कि यहाँ पर जो भी एसोसिएशन दी हुई हैं उनकी जो एस्टेब्लिशमेंट डेट है वो आईएनसी की एस्टेब्लिशमेंट डेट से पहले है, तो आपको इनको जो है क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है। तो एसोसिएशन देखिए, फर्स्ट है द इंडियन एसोसिएशन, नेक्स्ट है द मद्रास नेटिव एसोसिएशन, थर्ड है द पूना सार्वजनिक एसोसिएशन, एंड फोर्थ वन इज इंडियन लीग, राइट? तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज 2, 3, 4 एंड 1। तो हम इन सभी के जो है फॉर्मेशन ईयर देख लेते हैं। तो सबसे पहले है मद्रास नेटिव एसोसिएशन, विच वॉज फाउंडेड बाय गजुलू लक्ष्मी नरासू चेटी इन द ईयर 1849। नेक्स्ट इज पूना सार्वजनिक सभा, विच वॉज फाउंडेड बाय एमजे नाडे इन द ईयर 1870। नेक्स्ट आएगी इंडियन लीग, which established in the year 1875, and next is Indian National Association, important one, which was founded by Surendra Nath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose in the year 1876, And one more point which you have to remember, guys. Later on, Indian National Association merged with INC in the year 1885, right? Your next question is, consider the following statements in regards to the session of Congress during freedom struggle of India. First statement है, both the wings of Congress got united for the first time after the split of 1907. Second statement is, Muslim League and Congress came up with the common political demands. These events given above took place in which session of INC? A option is 1911, B is 1912, C is 1916 and last option is 1920. Right answer is option C, that is 1916. 1916 में क्या होता है, लखनऊ पैक्ट होता है जिसमें कि मुस्लिम लीग एंड द कांग्रेस जो है एक साथ आ जाती है विद कॉमन पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा के साथ एंड एक्सट्रीमिस्ट एंड मॉडरेट्स आर आल्सो गॉट यूनाइटेड, राइट। अगला क्वेश्चन है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैड सपोर्टेड द नॉन कॉपरेशन रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ महात्मा गांधी इन द स्पेशल सेशन ऑफ INC एट कलकत्ता इन 1920? ए ऑप्शन है सी आर दास, बी ऑप्शन है बिपिन चंद्र पाल, सी ऑप्शन है मदन मोहन मालवीय एंड डी ऑप्शन इज मोतीलाल नेहरू. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज मोतीलाल नेहरू. Your next question is, in which of the following session of INC Mahatma Gandhi had said, Gandhi may die but Gandhism will remain forever? A option is Calcutta session 1928, B option is Lahore session 1929, C option is Karachi session 1931 and D option is Ramgarh session 1940. So right answer is option C, that is Karachi session 1931. Your next question is, who addressed Mahatma Gandhi as the father of the nation for the first time? We all know this, that the Mahatma Gandhi called as the father of nation. So who gave this title to Mahatma Gandhi? So A option is Subhash Chandra Bose, B option is Rabindranath Tagore, C option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and D option is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So right answer is option A, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Your next question is, who among the following had moved the non-cooperation resolution in the Nagpur session of INC in 1920? A option is C R Das, B option is Jawaharlal Nehru, C option is Motilal Nehru and D option is Bipin Chandra Pal. So right answer is option A, that is C R Das. Your next question is, 1929 Lahore session of INC was presided by? A option is Motilal Nehru, B is Jawaharlal Nehru, C option is C R Das and D option is Vallabhbhai Patel. So right answer is option B, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Your next question is, in which of the following session of the INC Subhash Chandra Bose had defeated Patabi Sitaramaiah in the election of the Congress president? A option is Haripura session of 1938, B is Tripura session in 1939, C option is Madras session in 1927 and D option is Lahore session in 1929. So right answer is option B, that is Tripura session in 1939, which this session is also known as Tripura crisis. Your next question is, who among the following presided over the Karachi session of INC? Karachi session of INC in 1931 was presided by which person? So A option is Jawaharlal Nehru, B is Subhash Chandra Bose, C is J.M. Sengupta and D option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So right answer is option D, that is Vallabhbhai Patel. Your next question is, which one of the following had drafted the Fundamental Rights Resolution at the Karachi session 1931? So A option is Jawaharlal Nehru, B is Acharya Narendra Dev, C option is Subhash Chandra Bose and D option is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. So right answer is option A, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Your next question is, who among the following had read the English version of Presidential Address in Tripura session of INC 1939? A option है Acharya Narendra Dev, B है Sarat Chandra Bose, C option is Subhash Chandra Bose and D option is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. So right answer is option B, that is Sarat Chandra Bose. Your next question is, in which session did the Muslim League give the slogan Divide and Quit? A option is Lucknow session 1931, B option is Karachi session 1933, C option is Lahore session 1940, and D option is Karachi session 1943. So right answer is Karachi session in the year 1943. अगला क्वेश्चन है, in which of the following session of INC पूर्ण स्वराज was declared the goal of INC? ए ऑप्शन है लाहौर सेशन 1929, बी ऑप्शन है कराची सेशन, सी ऑप्शन इज दिल्ली and D option is Bombay session. So right answer is option A, that is Lahore session 1929. Your next question is, who among the following was nominated by Mahatma Gandhi for the presidency of the Congress in 1939 against Subhash Chandra Bose? Important question. So A option is Patabi Sitaramaiya, B option is Govind Vallabh Pant, and C option is Jawaharlal Nehru, and D option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So right answer is option A, that is Patabi Sitaramaiya. अगला क्वेश्चन है, while delivering the presidential address, the Congress president who advocated introduction of Roman script for Hindi language was? A option is Mahatma Gandhi, B option is Jawaharlal Nehru, C option is Subhash Chandra Bose, and D option is Abul Kalam Azad. So right answer is option C, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Question is, who among the following was thrice elected as the president of the INC? Which person was elected as the president of INC for the 3 times? So A option is Dadabhai Naoroji, B option is Surendranath Banerjee, C option is Gopal Krishan Gokhale, and D option is Shankaran Narayan. The right answer is option A, that is Dadabhai Naoroji. Your next question is, who drafted the constitution of Muslim League, the Green Book? A option is Rahmat Ali, B option is Muhammad Iqbal, D option is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and last option is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. So the right answer is option D, that is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. जो मुस्लिम लीग का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन था उसको कहा जाता था ग्रीन बुक, जिसको कि ड्राफ्ट करने वाले पर्सन थे मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर. राइट. अगला क्वेश्चन है, who among the following was the president of INC continuously for 6 years? A option is Jawaharlal Nehru, B option is Abul Kalam Azad, C option is Gopal Krishan Gokhale, and D option is Dadabhai Naoroji. So right answer is option B, that is Abul Kalam Azad. Right. Next question is, which of the following session of INC was presided over by C. Vijay Raghavachari? So A option is Lucknow session 1916, B option is Nagpur session 1920, C option is Gaya session 1922, and D option is none of the above. So right answer is option B, that is Nagpur session 1920. Right. गाइज मैंने एक सेशन जो है स्पेशली INC सेशन पे जो है अपलोड किया हुआ है इस चैनल पर, तो अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा तो आप पहले उसको देख लीजिए, फिर इस MCQs को जो है अटेंड कीजिए. इससे आपको काफ़ी हेल्प मिलेगी MCQs को सॉल्व करने के लिए. राइट. अगला क्वेश्चन है, who among the following was the youngest person to become the president of INC? ए ऑप्शन है जवाहरलाल नेहरू, बी ऑप्शन है अबुल कलाम आजाद, सी ऑप्शन है आनंद मोहन बोस, एंड डी ऑप्शन है भूपेंद्र नाथ बोस. तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद इज ऑल्सो द यंगेस्ट प्रेसिडेंट एंड सर्व द INC president for the 6th year. Your next question is, who among the following were Congress negotiator with Cripps mission? A option is Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel, B option is Acharya J.B. Kripalani and C. Rajagopalachari, C option is Pandit Nehru and Maulana Azad, D option is Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Rafi Ahmed Kidwai. So right answer is option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. अगला क्वेश्चन है, who of the following presided over the session of INC when resolution of Purn Swaraj was passed? A option is Dadabhai Naoroji, B option is Jawaharlal Nehru, C option is Lala Lajpat Rai, and D option is Surendranath Banerjee. So right answer is option B, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. And the resolution of Purn Swaraj was passed in the Lahore session of 1929. We have discussed it earlier. So who was the president of INC at this time? So Jawaharlal Nehru, right? Your next question is, who among the following had presided over the annual session of INC held at Lucknow in 1916? A option is Annie Besant, B option Lala Lajpat Rai, C option is Motilal Nehru, and D option is A.C. Mazumdar. The right answer is option D, that is A.C. Mazumdar. Your next question is, the only session of INC which was addressed by Mahatma Gandhi was held at which place? A option is Amravati, B is Belgaum, C is Karachi and D is Nagpur. So right answer is option B, that is Belgaum session of INC, which held in the year 1924 was addressed by the Mahatma Gandhi, right? अगला क्वेश्चन है by whom the Quit India resolution was moved in the Bombay session of INC in the year 1942. A option is Jawaharlal Nehru, B is Narendra Dev, C is Rajendra Prasad, and D option is J.B. Kriplani. So right answer is option A, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is Lahore session of Muslim League 1940 was presided by. A option is Liaquat Ali Khan, B option is Chaudhry Khalik Zaman, C option is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and D option is Fatima Jinnah. So right answer is option C, that is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And Muslim League adopted the Pakistan resolution in this session also. Next question is the last session of INC attended by Bal Gangadhar Tilak was. A option is Calcutta session 1906, B is Surat session 1907, C option is Calcutta session 1917, and option is Amritsar session 1919. The right answer is option D, that is Amritsar session in 1919. And Bal Gangadhar Tilak passed away in the year 1920. Your next question is who of the following had regarded the Karachi session of INC 1931 as the pinnacle of Mahatma Gandhi's popularity and prestige? A option is Subhash Chandra Bose, B is Patabi Sitaramaiah, C option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and D option is Sardar Krishan Singh. So right answer is option A, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Your next question is in which one of the following session the Congress declared its policy towards Indian states for the first time? A option is Nagpur session, B option is Gaya session, C option is Calcutta session, and D option is Lucknow session. So right answer is option A, that is Nagpur session. And this is the question for you guys. Who among the following was the youngest person to become the President of India? We had discussed it, so please give the answer in the comment box, right? So that's all for today guys. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care, and please give a thumbs up to video also.